This is a fan. And this is a sound machine.
Wait, isn't that the same thing?
It is. Introducing Breez, the world's best fan for better sleep.
The world's best what?
The world's best fan for better sleep.
A fan for better sleep?
The best fan for better sleep.
Oh, I don't get it.
Let me explain. A lot of people sleep with fans. Some for the airflow, some for the sound. But the two variables are always connected.
It's a little late for math.
Don't worry, it's easy. You see, the higher the fan speed, the louder the sound.
What if I want it to be quiet?
You have to turn down the air.
But what if I'm hot? I mean, not that that's a problem for me, but what if I were?
Exactly. Welcome to the zero-sum game of sleeping with a fan.
Ah, yes, game theory. That's more my speed. So how's this sleep fan any different?
A few years ago, these guys invented the SNOOZ white noise machine.
We invented the SNOOZ white noise machine.
They noticed people sleeping with fans only for the sound. So they designed a portable fan that only makes sound.
All fans make sound, don't they?
It launched on Kickstarter, and the campaign was a huge success.
If you're like me, you like to sleep. Every night. Wait, is that me?
But then they realized that people who like the airflow could also benefit from adjustable sound.
Oh, for all those hot sleepers. Yeah, I've heard about them. It's very sad.
So they asked themselves,
could we incorporate our sound machine into a fan?
Also, there was the internet.
You've got mail.
Hey, geniuses. Some of us live in the desert and actually want the air. Okay, coming in a little hot. No, I need the air too, LOL. Angry face, angry face. There's a lot to unpack here. I'd buy this piece of shit if it were a fan.
So yeah, we made a fan.
and not just any fan. They designed a first-of-its-kind system with independent control of the airflow and sound.
Ah, fixing that zero-something or other from before.
So now you can dial in the perfect combination for a better night's sleep.
Like in the winter, if I don't need the cool air, but I do need to drown out the sound of holiday cheer?
Sure.
Well, what if I'm working on my screenplay and I need some nice quiet air?
That too.
So you'd probably never guess, but I sleep real hot and loud. Could this help?
Definitely. Plus, you can adjust settings from the app, program your own schedule, even set the fan to turn on at a certain temperature.
Wow.
Because this fan is all about sleep, and it doesn't do that weird thing where you have to turn it on high first.
Yeah, I never understood that.
Well, the reason is because they use single-phase induction motors, which can't get going by themselves. So they rely on shading coils, which generate the maximum torque on the highest setting.
So the next time you're faced with uncomfortable heat or unwanted noise, you can now sleep soundly. Because this is a fan and a sound machine.
Now I get it.
Which makes it the
Best fan for a good night's sleep.
Well, close.
For a spectacular slumber?
For better sleep.
Right, sorry, for better sleep. The best
fan for better sleep.
I'm a fan of better sleep.
But this literally is a fan.
And now, so am I.